Good morning, children. I am your science teacher. My name is Saroj Lohani. Welcome to the new session. Now I am going to start chapter 1 in science. Name of chapter is Leaf, the food factory of plant. Teacher, Kamla, what did you have in your breakfast? Kamla, teacher, my mother gave me bread with mango jam. I also had a glass of milk. Teacher, sit down, Kamla. Kamla, thank you. Teacher, children, many of you might have had bread or roti in your breakfast, but how many of you know from where do you get them? Today I will tell you from where do we get our food that we eat. Teacher, you all have seen the leaves of green plant. Most of them are green irrespective of their shapes. Kamla, why are leaves green? Teacher, the leaves are green because they contain a green substance called chlorophyll. Only green leaves can make food for the plants since they contain chlorophyll. This green pigment needs water, nutrients, sunlight and carbon dioxide to prepare food. They get water and nutrients from soil through the roots, carbon dioxide from the air and sunlight from the sun. Now in this chapter, first there is conversation between teacher and Kamla. Teacher is asking Kamla that what did she had in her breakfast, and she is telling to teacher that her mother gave her bread and mango jam with a glass of milk. Now teacher is saying that, telling them that what to the children that they know where do they get the food what we eat. Now she is telling that with all the foods that we eat, we get from plants. You all have seen the leaves of different plants. They are green in color irrespective of their shapes. Kamla is asking teacher, why are the leaves green? And teacher is explaining that leaves are green because they contain chlorophyll, which is a green substance. Only green leaves can make food for plants because they contain chlorophyll. This chlorophyll is the green pigment present in plants which make food for the plants in the presence of sunlight and carbon dioxide with the help of food, nutrients and water. Nutrients and water they absorb from the soil and sunlight and carbon dioxide from air. Okay? इस चैप्टर में सबसे पहले कमला और टीचर के बीच में कन्वर्सेशन है जिसमें टीचर कमला से पूछती हैं कि उसने ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या खाया। तो फिर कमला बताती हैं कि उसने ब्रेड खाया है जैम के साथ और एक ग्लास मिल्क का पिया है। टीचर पूछती हैं कि आपको पता है कि ये फूड जो आप ब्रेड और रोटी खाते हो वो सब कहाँ से आता है। तो वो बताती हैं कि ये हमें ग्रीन प्लांट से मिलता है। और फिर टीचर बोलती हैं कि सभी प्लांट्स की लीव्स का कलर ग्रीन होता है इररेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ देयर शेप्स। उनका शेप चाहे कैसा भी हो लेकिन उनका जो कलर है ग्रीन होता है। ठीक है ना। टीचर बताती हैं कि ग्रीन सब्सटेंस उनकी लीव्स में होता है जिसे हम बोलते हैं क्लोरोफिल। वो एक ग्रीन पिगमेंट होता है। पिगमेंट क्या है? नेचुरल कलर है। यह पिगमेंट जिसे हम बोलते हैं क्लोरोफिल, ये कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और सनलाइट की प्रेजेंस में रूट से वाटर और न्यूट्रिएंट्स एब्जॉर्ब करके फूड बनाता है प्लांट के लिए। ओके, जिससे हम आगे पढ़ेंगे। ठीक है। नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज लीफ, द फूड फैक्ट्री ऑफ प्लांट। Sorry, it is already written. This is only the topic of this chapter. Now, leaf, the food factory of plant. The process of making food by green leaves of plant in the presence of sunlight with the help of carbon dioxide, nutrient and water is known as photosynthesis. Thus, prepared food is used by plants and extra food is stored in different parts of the plant. Only green plants can make their own food on this earth. As the food is only made by green leaves, they are known as food factory of the plant or kitchen of the plant. The food that is made by the leaves is used by the plant for its energy needs and also for the needs of all the animals on the earth. The major food that is made by plant during photosynthesis is glucose. It is made up of some elements like carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. It is the simplest carbohydrate. Now, why the leaves are called the food factory of the plant? The process of making food by green leaves in the presence of sunlight with the help of carbon dioxide, nutrients and water is called photosynthesis. Okay, this process by which green leaves make food for plant is called as photosynthesis. In this, now leaves, they are green due to presence of chlorophyll. Okay, these green leaves take sunlight from air, okay, and carbon dioxide, CO2 from air. This they take from air, okay, in the presence of water and nutrients which they absorb from roots. Water and nutrients, this they absorb from roots, and in the presence of sunlight and carbon dioxide, water and nutrients, they prepare food for the plant and they release oxygen. Okay, this process is called photosynthesis. Because leaves prepare food from the plant, that is why they are called the food factory of the plant or the kitchen of the plant. This food made by leaves is stored in different parts of the plant and they are used for energy leaves, and rest of the food is stored in different parts of the plant. This food is used by animals, presence all the animals of the earth, on the earth, and also by leaves. Thus, major food produced during photosynthesis is made up of some elements like carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and it is called glucose. What is it called? Glucose. And glucose is carbohydrate. It is the simplest carbohydrate which is prepared by leaves. Okay? आपको समझ में आ गया होगा? वह प्रोसेस जिससे ग्रीन लीव्स सनलाइट और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की उपस्थिति में वाटर और न्यूट्रिएंट्स के साथ मिल करके प्लांट के लिए फूड बनाती हैं, भोजन बनाती हैं, उस प्रोसेस को हम बोलते हैं फोटोसिंथेसिस। ये लीव्स सनलाइट लेती हैं सन से और एयर से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, इन दोनों के प्रेजेंस में वाटर और न्यूट्रिएंट्स ये रूट से एब्जॉर्ब करती हैं। ठीक है, इन सब के प्रेजेंस में क्लोरोफिल की उपस्थिति में ये बनाती है फूड। क्या बनाती है? फूड बनाती है, जो किस फॉर्म में होता है? ग्लूकोज के फॉर्म में होता है। और ये एक क्या है? ये कार्बोहाइड्रेट। ठीक है, इस प्रोसेस को हम बोलते हैं फोटोसिंथेसिस। इसीलिए हम लीव्स को फूड फैक्ट्री ऑफ द प्लांट या किचन ऑफ द प्लांट भी कहते हैं। Now this much for today's class, children. In next class we will discuss the activity 1. Okay, till then stay safe, stay at home, keep on learning. Thank you, children.